name?
Listen, in the state of North Carolina, if you don't give me personal identifying information when I ask for it, you'll get locked up.
I know my rights. Lock me up for failure to ID would be a bad move on you, Big Daddy.
Is that illegal?
Sir.
Give me your name and badge number.
It's on my chest.
What's that about?
It's on my chest.
You could just identify, right?
It's on my chest,
Just
dude.
say, hey, my name is whatever. What if I can't pronounce it? What if I want it for the record?
Let your dog know.
I'm not a dog, number one. I'm not a dog, number one.
Let your dog know.
I'm not a
That
dog,
he can't
number
attack
one.
me.
You
Look at
understand?
him.
I'm not a dog.
Hey, back
I'm
off on the
not-
taxpaying law.
So can I have your license, please?
So, what crime is that?
Well, there wasn't a crime committed because we don't know if the items are stolen or not.
Do you have suspicion that I committed a crime?
Forget the image of friendly officers shaking hands with kids under a golden sunset. Instead, picture an America where silence is seen as defiance, where refusing to show your ID isn't a constitutional right, but a red flag that sets off walkie-talkies across the block. Welcome to H&H Audit, where a camera becomes the most dangerous weapon on the street, and saying, "I'm not required to show ID," can trigger a chain reaction, swarming cops, threats, and sometimes even detainment. Today's video isn't an investigative report. It's a journey through 4 flashpoints, where the Constitution isn't just ink on paper, but something tested in the heat of commands, cameras, and quiet resistance. We begin in North Carolina, 2021. It's hard to believe. Just standing on the sidewalk and filming got a citizen sentenced to 12 months of supervised probation.
Hey, get away from my car.
Oh, hell no. You on a public easement. We can film that car all day. Every day.
I'm going to tell you one more time to get away from my car.
I'm going to tell you, we right here, we can be around this car.
No, you didn't mishear. This really happened. A citizen, along with a fellow auditor, showed up outside the North Carolina Army National Guard Armory, proudly exercising their First Amendment rights. But instead of being treated like a well-informed citizen, he was seen as a suspicious object. Someone secretly called the cops, and that's when the performance began. Officers showed up, gave the Fourth Amendment a wave, then kicked it off the scene like they'd never even skimmed state law.
Damn. They're trying to figure out if they want to come over here and say something or not. I guess not. Got some more guys out there. He's looking like, what the frig are they doing out here? What are they doing? What are they doing out here with camera?
Let me get on the other side because of the sun.
Yeah, it's not out right now. It's all right.
How y'all doing?
All right.
All right. Something I can help y'all with?
Did we ask for any help?
Huh?
Did we ask for help?
No, sir. You sure did.
All right then.
All right.
That should tell you something.
Everybody got ID on it?
Absolutely got ID.
Absolutely need to see it.
Absolutely not happening.
Yes, sir.
I doubt it.
Yeah. So look.
You know better than that.
What?
We got these shiny new cameras for Christmas. We figured we would come out here and use them.
Why here?
Why not?
I was asking why here. It would be better than filming that house.
Yeah, that's a private residence over there.
Okay. So you feel like it's more appropriate to film an armory?
Today, absolutely. At this time, yeah.
Okay. Where y'all from?
It don't matter where we're from, man.
It don't.
Nope. I'm from Jupiter.
From Jupiter.
Yep.
So I see.
I guarantee it.
Now.
You see what? What are you seeing?
You're here wanting some.
No, no, we're not wanting attention. We want to be left alone and let us do our job.
No, that's not the case. And I think you and I both know that.
No, it is the case. If they hadn't have called you, we would have been here 10 more minutes probably, and we'd have been gone.
Reason to be concerned.
Absolutely, I would be. I would be concerned if they wasn't concerned. Okay. Absolutely.
All right. Well, here's the deal. You're parked on the city easement. So
Absolutely, I sure am, which is 100% legal.
Okay. Need to see ID.
You're not getting it.
Okay.
Oh, that's cute. Go ahead and get them, man. My shit's been run so many times.
Sit here all you want to. Bro.
I know I am.
Yep.
You can get them, man. My shit's been run so many times.
Sit here all you want to.
You think I'm scared of you running my tag? If I was worried about that, would I be parked right here? Do you think I'm worried about you running my tag, Hoss?
Huh?
Do you think I'm worried about you running my tag?
Sir, to be real honest with you, it don't make a difference to me whether you're worried about it or not. I see, look, you want a reaction.
No, I want you to leave us alone. That's what I want to do. I want you to leave us alone.
Okay.
Hey, 164, do you need a read back?
I do, go ahead.
2019 Ram, negative 1029.
And you somehow
Are you satisfied?
Rapids, North
Are
Carolina.
you satisfied? I go all over the state and the United States. I go everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere that I need to go.
And you got like a YouTube channel or something?
If I do, it's all right though, right? You're gonna be a YouTube star now.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. So look for yourself on there in a couple of days.
I sure will. I look forward to seeing it.
Yeah, acting like a jerk. Yeah, you're a jerk, and I'm gonna put you on there like a jerk. Why you ask for ID?
Because I like
Knowing good and well you're not getting one, right? If you know what we're doing, if you know what we're doing, you shouldn't even got out your car. So you the idiot today.
That's not how this works, bro.
That's absolutely how it works.
Did you get his name?
No. What is your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers.
Okay, what's your name then?
Master Officer Bachelor.
Master Officer
Bachelor. Like the TV show.
Okay, I got you.
That's great. I've always wanted to be famous.
There you go. Well, you got it today, cuz.
Yep.
Now here comes some barefaced irony. Look closely at this officer. He claims he has the right to inspect a citizen's car, but the moment his cruiser is filmed, he jumps back, demanding privacy for a police vehicle. Then came the next officer with a masterclass in legal sidestepping, threatening arrest with no real cause, especially when North Carolina doesn't even have a stop and ID law.
Talking about you know what we doing. If you know what we're doing, why are you so stupid? Yep. Look at this idiot right here. Look at this idiot. He thinks he's gonna find something.
My car.
Oh hell no! You on a public easement? We can film that car all day, every day.
I'm gonna tell you one more time to get away from my car.
I'm gonna tell you, we right here. We can be around this car. Hey, stop being a tyrant. Stop being a tyrant. Okay.
Yes, sir. His name's Joseph Sherry. You're more than welcome to.
Joseph Sherry.
1040 Roanoke Avenue. You can figure it out. Yep. Good luck with that, brother.
You want to be a jerk? We can be jerks too.
Just take my dog.
Oh! Oh! Woo!
You didn't know there was a dog in there?
You don't have canine rope nowhere on here.
Are you blind or stupid?
You don't have it on your damn uniform, smart ass.
Are you blind or stupid?
Evidently. Man, you're gonna look good on YouTube today.
I sure hope so.
Yeah, you are. You might get some complaints. You might get some complaints from the neighbors.
I don't care. Step back that way.
I'm standing right here.
My dog.
That dog is fine where he's at.
You're not. Go that way.
I'm over 10 feet away from you, cuz.
No, you're not.
Are you dumb or stupid? Which one?
I can do whatever you want.
Exactly. And that's where I'm gonna put you as too.
That's fine.
So you a coward, had to call back up.
Nope, not at all.
Coward.
16.
A tyrant coward, what that is. Let me get your name, sir. Let me get your name, sir.
Some of these. Calm down, man.
I don't need to calm down. I'm calm, dude. I mean, come on.
Listen,
I hear that.
You can't be out here cussing.
Hey, how about you kiss it? How about that?
Listen, man.
How about that? How about that, though? Did you hear what I said? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? You speak English?
There, some of these folks that go around.
Some of these folks that go around with cameras, that's what we do.
Oh, they're nowhere even close to us. They're just looking to get a reaction or something.
And you gave it to us like a big dummy. If you know what we're doing, why are you still here? What's your name, sir?
Officer.
That one.
Officer.
You're not going to identify? Ain't that in your policy? Said, what is your name?
You talking to me?
Absolutely. Am I looking at you?
I can't really tell.
Okay, well, you need to take the glasses off then. Officer what?
I'm Officer Roland. What's your name?
Roland. Puddentane.
What's your name?
Puddentane.
Listen, in the state of North Carolina, if you don't give me personal identifying information when I ask for it, you'll
Dude,
get locked up.
I know my rights. Lock me up for failure to ID would be a bad move on you, Big Daddy.
No.
No, they don't. Read it to me. Read it to me then. Give me 6 feet. You ain't got no mask on.
What is your name?
He's already got my name.
I'm asking you.
You're not. I'm not
No,
telling
you wanted to talk slick a minute ago. What's your name?
Can you back away from me?
I cannot. What's your name?
Well,
You're about to get locked up.
How
Tell
am I
me your
gonna
name.
get locked up for
Because I'm
no
gonna lock you
idea?
up.
Idea.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
On both of these cameras, you're gonna get locked up for not
Okay.
telling me who you are.
He knows
This is
who
the
I am.
last time I'm gonna ask
He
you.
knows who I am. It's no ID statute.
Sit tight.
I'm gonna sit tight. Am I detained? Are you detaining me? And then I'm free to stay. I'm free to stay.
Free to go anytime.
And I'm free to stay then. You a tyrant. You a tyrant. I know what you are. You a tyrant. You a tyrant. That's what you are.
Instead of calming things down, police swarmed in like they were dealing with a violent suspect, getting up close, shouting, using crude language like they were out of control. But the citizen? He was standing calmly on the public easement, filming, completely legal, not doing anything wrong. Then Supervisor Norton stepped in, not to correct the situation, but to push it even further off track. This wasn't just bad policing. It was a betrayal of the trust people place in that badge and that uniform.
You're gonna look good on YouTube today. Gonna lock me up for failure to ID. Is he crazy? Some tyrants up this way in North Carolina, ain't they?
He stopped him because he knew.
Yeah, I know. I know. He don't want to do that. There's another one.
This is my boss you were asking for.
There you go.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
To oblige, sir.
Yeah, I bet you are.
I sure wish I had all the time in the world to go around.
I do. I got all day long, Captain.
Good job.
Yeah, I got one. And that one right there. I said finding tyrants like you.
I'm not a tyrant, Holmes. You want to have a
You just pressed on. Yes, I do. You just pressed up on me, trying to intimidate me. It don't work.
How am I? You're not intimidating me either, buddy.
I'm not trying to, because you pressed up on me talking about arresting me for failure to ID.
Which I'm going
When
to
there's
do.
no such statute in North Carolina.
There is.
What
I
is
can't
it?
help
What
that
is
you
it
don't
then?
know.
What is it? You tell it to me.
I'm telling you.
I know the laws in North Carolina.
You apparently don't, sir.
Evidently I do. That's why you're a tyrant, because you know there's no statute. You just hope I don't know.
No, that's inaccurate.
That is absolutely true, 100%.
The only time you can ask for ID or have committed a crime.
You're wrong.
He knows.
You're wrong.
Yeah, okay, okay.
You're both wrong.
We've done this 100 times.
Okay.
Yep.
I mean, we know it.
You don't
Done
think
it
we
with me
know?
100
I
times.
used to be a policeman.
No, we can.
Done it
Hey,
with me 100
if you
times.
want to be
I don't believe you.
if you want to be a tyrant,
Do or not.
if you want to be a tyrant and arrest me for failure to ID, go ahead. Care that it's illegal to do that.
Credibility would be in just answering a simple question. If you were an officer,
Like
you
what?
would know that.
I know that.
Answer what
we don't have
question?
to ID unless we're suspected.
I'm
of
not
a
looking
crime
at you, which
or
means I'm
committed
not
a crime.
talking to you.
But I'm
The
free to
same
talk.
thing you gave me, I'm giving back to you
I'm
now.
a free American, dude. I can talk
You
when I
get
get
what I'm
ready.
saying?
I heard you.
Hey, buddy.
You come up on
That don't
me.
have anything to do
You
with
pressed
North
up on
Carolina
me.
general
You pressed up on me. I didn't
press up
approach
on
you.
anything.
Dude, it's on camera.
I asked you for your name.
No, you pressed up on me. You
Listen,
got
boss,
a
this
feet.
right here
You got a
ain't pressed
foot.
up
No,
on
you was
See
a
this?
foot from
I'm
me.
doing the same thing again.
You was a foot from
This
me.
is where I was a minute ago.
And you need
I'm
to give
doing
me
the same
6
thing.
feet. You don't have no mask on.
What general statute is that?
That's not a statue. Up on me,
It's
man.
not law.
Stop pressing up on me. Hey, cuz, you need to come get this dog over here.
We're looking for people who have an ego like you have.
Exactly.
I don't have any ego, man. You
Absolutely, you do got an ego.
And you're talking about me having
Sir,
an
can you
ego?
come get your dog?
Sir, he's not a dog, he's an
You know,
officer.
really-
Yeah.
You know that.
Dude, I'm not.
He's acting like a tyrant right now. No, it ain't sorry. If you were sorry, you would quit him from doing it.
What's
He's
your
not doing anything wrong.
He's
sir.
not.
Nope.
He's not intimidating. He's not pressing up
you
on me.
intimidated?
He's not impressing up on. No, I don't get intimidated by
Okay, then no,
tyrants.
evidently he's not. You answered your own question.
He got more than two, not even a foot
right
from
now,
me.
I'm
That's
having-
trying to
because
intimidate.
you
That's
got
what that's
it
trying to do.
Evidently, you're having a hard time understanding
I'm
what we're
having
trying
to
to get
deal
through
with
to
you
you. So
two.
maybe he's
Well,
trying
how
to
about you understand what I'm trying to do?
you're out
What
here
is your
looking
name?
for a reaction.
If I was looking for, you sure gave it to me, didn't you?
I have.
So that
Not
means
what
you're an
you want.
idiot. That means you're an idiot,
I haven't
not
given you
me.
what you want yet.
You giving it to me right now.
If that works.
And this guy here don't even know the law.
It's
And you think
perfectly
that you
legal
do?
for what we're doing.
I know it better than he does, evidently. Talking about
have-
arresting
do you
me for
have
no
a degree
ID.
yet?
I
Have
know.
you ever been to school for
I
it?
know the law, sir.
I doubt it.
I do.
You can't be in the street. You can't be in the street.
See, there's another tyrant.
Go ahead, sir.
Excuse me, gentlemen, I'm gonna ask you guys.
Hey, this guy's got something he wants to say.
I'm gonna ask you guys to move your vehicle out of the property.
I'm on the easement. It's not your property.
Sir, you either on state property or you on city
It's an
property.
easement. It's what it is. I got.
Easement is city property. Asked to leave.
I'm entitled to be right
You've
here,
been asked to leave.
Okay,
sir. If you want to be a
asking you
tyrant,
to
if you want to be a tyrant, you can be a
have been
tyrant
asked to
too.
leave the property.
We're asking
Or what?
you to leave.
The next course of recall is to be charged with trespass.
How you gonna trespass me from
Because
public property? I'm
you've
talking.
been
I'm
asked
talking
by
to this
one
man right here.
property owner
Now I'm
and
telling
the
you.
other.
Hang on, calm down a little bit. Is it
Leave.
Newton? Norton.
Leave.
I'm sorry.
It's
Can I
that
talk?
simple.
Can I
Last
talk?
No,
leave.
it's that simple.
You about
Leave.
it's simple.
That's all you got to do.
Get in your truck and go.
So y'all gonna arrest me for being on public property?
We're going to
You're
arrest you
not
for
on public
trespassing.
property.
What is, sir?
You're
What is this?
trespassing. You're on his
This is on
property.
public. This is.
That's state property. Belongs
It
to
goes
North
from
Carolina
15.
National Guard.
It goes from 15
No,
to the
sir, you better
center.
go check your ordinance.
I'm telling you, it does.
Not in
15
Road
from the
Rapids,
center
it does
line.
not.
Learn the law before you try to teach me
I know the
about
law. I know it
Get in
better
your
than
truck
you,
and go.
you, and you.
All you got to do is leave.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I said.
Are you sure?
I'm leaving.
No.
I said I was leaving.
Lay it in there.
I will.
Hang on. Let me put this up.
Put your other hand behind you.
I know it's state property. He's
turn
in
it.
charge of the state
what I
property.
tell you.
Just ask me to leave it.
This is public property, sir.
This is state property. This is city property.
I know what it is.
You've been
It's
asked
an
by
easement.
both.
It's an easement.
You've been asked by both to
You
remove
can't
yourself from
trespass
this
me
property.
from
Yes, you
public
can.
property.
It's state property and it's city property.
That means it's our property.
But when you're asked by an official from either the state
For
or the
doing nothing
city
wrong.
to leave,
But we didn't break no law, though, sir.
I
okay?
was at a National Guard Armory.
Hey, you got anything on you?
Hey, big guy ain't too flexible. You got no safe cuffs?
Thank
I sure hate to break his arm, man.
Yeah, I think you would do that too. Can't believe you're
You
going
got
to
your keys to the
arrest us
vehicle?
for
Well,
trespassing.
you had your opportunity. You
I
wanted
told
to
you. I
react,
told you I
got
was
some
leaving.
reaction.
I told you I was leaving.
You had your opportunity.
All right.
You don't. No, that's not how this works.
All right. All right. That's cool.
You had all
Just park to
the
your camera back here also.
police. I like that sign.
It says fuck bad police
No,
on the
it
other
says
side.
fuck
On
the
the other
police.
side.
Keys,
Y'all
sir.
read that and then said,
Do you
"Oh,
have
I'm
the keys
gonna
to your
get him."
vehicle?
Yes, it's in my pocket.
Okay, which pocket?
I don't give you consent to go
I
in my
don't
pocket.
You're
what I
under
figured.
arrest.
I
We
didn't
don't
ask
need
for consent.
I'm trying to be nice and lock your vehicle up so it's secure, sir.
Okay.
In the end, the citizen lost in court and was sentenced to 12 months of probation. No disturbance, no law broken, still punished. So, what do you think of this outcome? Let us know in the comments. Just filming outside a police station and you get surrounded like you just robbed a bank?
What was that?
What's your reason for being here?
Looking around, man.
Okay.
What's your reason for being here?
Come take a seat on the curb.
Back in December 2020 in Daly City, a citizen was legally exercising his First Amendment right to record when suddenly 4 officers closed in on him. They ordered him to sit on the curb and hand over his ID without any reasonable cause. That move wasn't just baseless. It could be considered unlawful detainment and a violation of the Fourth Amendment. Let's dive into this tense encounter.
No, I'm good.
What are you doing?
Any business?
You're staring into our police cars. It's kind of odd.
Cool.
Then you were back there taking pictures. Here's
Nope.
Yep. So what's your reason for being here?
What was that?
What's your reason for being here?
Looking around, man.
Okay.
What's your reason for being here?
Come take a seat on the curb while we identify you.
Negative.
Okay,
What would I do that for?
okay, listen. You've been walking around. You don't need any help.
Now you just want to make sure I don't need any help?
What do you mean?
It switched from go sit on the curb to we just want to make
I'm
sure.
not asking you. It's a question.
But I've answered the question.
Okay.
Do you need it?
So I'm not looking for anything from you guys now.
Okay, but you're looking
Oh.
into police cars and you're walking around here.
Okay.
And that's why I'm asking. Because people usually don't just walk around the front city hall.
Okay.
You're somebody that has not probably been here or need something or looking for something. That's the reason I'm asking.
Understand the reason you're asking.
So I got to give the answer. Do you need any help?
You don't have, no, I understand you want an answer, but hold on.
Is this one of these audits?
I understand you want an answer, but you don't need an answer, right?
I don't.
Okay.
It's need. No, that's why I'm asking you. If you need help, then I'm here to help you.
But I've answered that like 4 times.
Which is not, you don't need any help?
Yeah, I've already said that.
Okay, well that's fine. I just didn't hear it because I was walking from there, sir. So I just walked up here and I just heard you. If you don't need us for anything, that's fine.
Okay.
Would you like to give us your name or no? Sir.
Cool.
Sir, would you like to give us your name?
What was that?
Would you like to give us your name?
No, I'm good. How about you give me your name though?
It's right here, sir.
What was that?
It's right here, Sergeant Hussein.
Right here?
Right here, sir, Sergeant Hussein.
Okay, there you go. Now we're talking. What's your name? Name and badge number? Yo, mute. Name and badge number now. Do you hear me? Do you hear me or not? Name and badge number. Badge number. Say it. Identify yourself.
Are you stepping over towards me, man?
Yeah, I'm getting close to you. Is there a problem with that? Is that illegal? Is that illegal?
Sir,
Give me your name and badge number.
it's on my chest.
What's that about?
It's on my chest.
You could just identify, right?
It's on my chest,
Just
dude.
say, hey, my name is whatever. What if I can't pronounce it? What if I want it for the record? How do you know I zoomed in on it?
You have it on
How do you know I got it close enough?
Do we
Am I walking towards you?
Sir,
You fucking tyrant.
sir.
You have to grow a couple inches of me
Okay,
anyways.
Listen, man. If you don't need
Name and badge number. No, now this is different now. Walking around, looking around. This guy's telling me he's going to identify me and take a seat. This dude's trying to get in a stance like he's going to fight.
One simple question. What's your name and badge number? And it set off a completely unnecessary standoff. Instead of giving a straightforward answer, the officer instantly shifted into defense mode, hand hovering near his weapon, eyes locked in like trouble was brewing. Is that professional behavior from someone enforcing the law, or a sign that they fear being held accountable more than they fear violating people's rights?
So listen. Hey, listen, man. Hey, look. These guys work, sir.
Clown.
Sir, listen.
Yeah, f you.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
I just gave it to you. You were talking about.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer 1277.
This is some bullshit. This is how you guys act? Like this dude? No. Listen, now I don't want to hear your little spiel now. Check this out. This is how you guys act? Like this? Like this guy? Badge
And
number?
that's what the question was.
And that's what he's getting in a stance like he's about to fight?
He doesn't
With
know
his
you.
hand by his gun?
Does he know you?
Who cares if you know me? Not all the citizens are out to hurt you guys, you idiot? What's wrong with you, dude? I can walk up to you. I don't want to hear your analogy. I can get as close to you as I want.
We're gonna leave.
Is it illegal for me to get close to you? Is it illegal for me to walk up like I did and say,
To constitute a threat for me? Yes, sir. Yeah,
to
you are.
constitute a threat?
Yes.
I can stand right next to you,
And
bud.
I'm not saying
That
you
doesn't
can't.
mean I'm threatening you.
Okay, that's
Okay?
your opinion. I get
No,
it.
that's
I'm
not
just-
an opinion. You're.
No,
I can say, look,
we're
I
leaving.
get even closer to him.
We're leaving.
Am I
Okay.
threatening him?
Let's just
I'm
go.
not
All right.
threatening him because I'm close to
Yeah.
him.
Let's just.
What
Do
I
you
want
need
you,
help
I
or
don't
you don't?
want to argue and
Do
have
you
a
need
big,
our help?
listen, I don't want to argue and have a big tussle with you guys. I'm trying to get you to understand a point of view here. I'm trying to get you to understand a point of view here with this guy, dude. Why is he all hyped like that, getting ready for a f***ing combat, getting ready for a fight?
Man. Hey,
Dude, you need off the streets,
Dude,
bro.
okay,
He's
hey.
dangerous.
Okay, I'll.
Yeah, he's dangerous. What car number is he in? That is, I do need your, now I need some complaint forms. That's a dangerous cop, dude. I literally walked up so I could get close to his name because he wouldn't say it, and the dude, was that wrong or not? At least tell me that.
Would you listen?
Tell me that. Is that
If
wrong
you
or
walk
not?
to somebody in a threatening manner that he constitutes as threatening,
That he constitutes as threatening.
Yes.
He can get ready to battle a citizen.
well, I
like
don't
that.
know who we are, sir. I don't know you. I
It
don't know
doesn't
who you
matter.
are.
I was
Yeah,
walking.
it does.
Guys got like 4 of you right here,
Okay.
and I'm just walking
I'm not
up with a camera,
Not
going,
gonna
"Hey,
argue-
name and
not gonna
badge
argue-
number."
Not gonna argue the point, man. You need
But
my
the
help?
point is that's not okay.
Okay. You made a point.
Handle
sir.
it. Did I make the
was-
point?
Yes.
What else? So my question is, are you gonna deal with that?
Yes. Listen.
I can. That's all I ask.
That's
Do so. I mean, I'm gonna get a complaint form and we'll take it a step further. But at the very least, come on, man, that was ridiculous.
But do you understand where he was coming from?
No, I don't.
Okay, let me explain to you. We don't know who people are, and they walk up to them, if it constitutes a threat because people don't answer questions, they don't tell us who they are, they don't give us the purpose they are here for, we would take it like, hey, this is not a normal contact, wasn't it?
No, a threat is when somebody's
Yeah,
coming
that's
up to
okay.
you in a
That's-
threatening
that's
manner,
your-
babe. Not f***ing walking
your-
up with a camera with
that's your
both
opinion.
hands on my camera,
that's your
going,
opinion.
"Hey, name and badge number. Hey, name and badge number." Making a point.
We're not gonna
It was
argue.
easy for him.
Okay.
It wasn't even easy for you. You didn't want to give it. You said it's right here, and then you gave it. This dude, no problem. Hey, my name's such and such. Whoop, whoop. No problem. Easy money. Thank you. I appreciate you. But that dude, mute and then ready to battle and. Nah, I got it on camera. You guys should have a height requirement, man. That little midget cop ain't gonna do nothing to nobody except kill him. And that's the problem we have. That's what's dangerous. That is what's dangerous. Walking around the parking lot, making contact is fine. That cop telling me that he's gonna identify me? Yeah, right. That's what's bullshit. You can't try to, I mean, you can try, but people can say no, but you can't detain somebody and sit them on a curb, tell them you're going to identify them because they're in your parking lot, bud. Yeah, you're dismissed, babe. Get out of here. All 3 of you guys are dismissed. All 4 of you with that little clown midget, too. This is fucking ridiculous. Get some better cops out here, man. This is bullshit.
But it didn't stop there. The citizen later went to City Hall to pick up a complaint form and a public records request. Everything seemed fine until a new face showed up, uninvited, but eager to take center stage. And just like that, the citizen's First Amendment rights were violated once again.
Ask a question. I can't ask you a question? I just said I just wanted to ask a question. How you doing? Are you putting, I'll give you a second to put your mask on. Are you a police officer? Oh, you're not? What are you, like a city worker or something? City, okay. Hey, no problem, man. You have a good day. I appreciate your service, huh? Let's wipe these down a bit, huh?
Hi.
How's it going? Can I get a couple complaint forms, please?
A couple of complaints for 1 second.
Yep, no problem. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And do you guys have public records request forms at all?
Yeah.
Cool. Just need one of those.
That you type in.
It's probably on the city website. No?
I forgot which website.
Okay.
But, and I've seen this years ago where you type in I think the city and job description,
Uh-huh.
and it will show you the salaries. I'm not sure how often they update it. I just forgot what website, but since it's online, it's open to the public. I just can't remember exactly which one.
Gotcha. Okay. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, you too. Merry Christmas. All right, so not too bad.
So Dante. No, I was wondering if he was here with her yesterday. Hey, bro. What are you doing? Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Yeah, I work here.
Okay, cool.
I'm wondering why you're sneaking through the window and taking pictures of the gentleman that's on the other side.
Yeah, I get it.
That's private in there, see?
For sure.
See that?
Yeah. No, I get it. Yeah.
Can I help you?
No, I'm good.
Do you need assistance with anything?
No, I just got some papers. I'm good. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Can I help you find the door out?
No.
Because this is not a public place at this point.
I can find it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need anything? You talk to our sergeant out there, right?
This is not public?
Well, it is public, but you have no business here anymore, right?
I don't.
And I saw you looking through there, that is restricted area.
And
it says it right there.
And this is public.
Yeah, but you got the documents you needed.
But what's the rule on this?
That you're looking through a restricted window, dude.
Right, from the public.
Right.
So what does that mean?
That's why I'm asking you what
that means. It's okay, correct?
What's
okay, cool. Hey, I'm not going to give it, but anything my eyes can see, I'm just going to educate you real quick before I leave. Anything my eyes can see through the window or not, from a public place,
what is the
I can record.
What is the
to watch hold on, just let me finish it. We're having a good conversation. I just wanted to finish. So what it is just keeping an eye on the public service, man, the employees. Yeah.
This is a clear reminder that public oversight isn't a nuisance. It's necessary. The right to film and petition our government is the foundation of any functioning democracy. In the next situation, just for refusing to give up his personal information, a citizen became the target of pressure, threats, and pushy demands from law enforcement.
What is your name?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Well, they want to trespass warn you, which they have the right to do throughout their train.
So I don't need to get my name
I'm
for
trying
a
to
warning.
talk to you.
All right.
First of all,
I don't want to talk though.
They need your
What's your name?
identification.
An officer named Pitts approached a citizen after a G4S security guard asked him to leave the train. Without hearing both sides of the story, Pitts immediately jumped in, looking for any excuse to demand ID, even though doing so could violate Florida Statute 901.151 and the Fifth Amendment, which protect the right to remain silent and the right against self-incrimination.
What's your name and your badge number?
Officer Pitts, 3199.
Thank you.
Hey,
What's your name and your badge number?
Hold on. What's your name, sir? What is your name?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Well, they want to trespass warn you, which they have the right to do throughout their train.
So I don't need to get my name
I'm
for
trying
a
to talk
warning.
to you. They need your
What's your
identification.
name? No.
For the form. Yes, they do.
No,
By
they
law.
told me to leave. I left. By law, I left.
By law,
You
they
can
want
warn
to
me.
I need your information to put in my system to trespass.
No, I'm not. What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Trespassing. And I'm asking for your information so I can write into
What
my
crime?
system.
Articulate a
Trespassing
crime.
from the train station.
Okay, they told me to leave and I left. So what crime did I commit? Absolutely not. 901.151 stays
Give me
different.
your name, please.
Florida Penal Code stays different.
I'm asking for your name.
Okay.
Name and date of birth, sir.
I'm not giving you my name. What's your name and your badge number?
Don't give it to them.
You have to.
No, I just get you mine.
You're
I'm the
making
primary
contact.
officer. I'm the primary officer.
Okay, so why are they here?
Because they're my backup.
Okay,
And I'm the
I need their
primary-
names.
My
In case you violate my rights, I need to know
I'm asking
who to
for your ID for
contact.
their form.
And I'm not giving
gonna be
it.
Sergeant
They
here.
asked me to leave. They asked me to
They
leave,
don't
and
want
I
you back there at
left. Okay,
all.
so you
They
don't need my
need my
information.
They
So
do.
you don't need. No,
They
I'm
do.
not giving them my information. Florida Penal Code says I don't care.
It states that you need to provide them.
First, you need to warn me, which you're doing now, and I'm not on
I
that.
don't have nothing to do with it.
Good.
They
So
want-
I'm not. You can't force
I
me to
can
give
warn
them.
you- Hold on, let me talk.
You can't force me to get my
I
ID
can
without
warn you
breaking the
in
law.
the system.
That's
You
not
have
what
to
Florida
identify.
Penal Code 901.151 states. It states suspicion of a crime, about to commit a crime, or have committed a crime. You can pat me, but you can't search me. I do not agree to any illegal searches or seizures.
That's fine. Here comes the sergeant now. That's great.
Okay, good.
Do me a favor. You can hold your phone.
Am I being detained?
Well, right now, yes, you are.
For what crime?
For trespassing.
Okay.
You're obstructing my investigation.
I'm not obstructing. I'm talking to you.
Okay.
I need the sergeant, please.
Sergeant's coming, sir.
Thank you. And so you told them not to identify to a citizen, right?
She will.
You told
You're
them
dealing
not,
with me. I'm the primary.
but they're here.
No, they have nothing to do with it. They respond because
First of all,
dispatch
why are you
sent
so
it.
loud? Back up a little bit.
I'm right here.
Okay, but back up a little bit.
Because you're right next to me.
No, you
And
walked up to me.
first of all,
Okay,
I
I'm going to
cut
step
you
a step
down.
back.
There
I'm
you
going to
go.
take a step back.
That's
Now, am I being detained?
What took place on the train?
And since I'm being detained, then at this point, I like to assert my Fifth Amendment
Oh my
privilege.
God! What took place on the train that they didn't want to trespass for you? That's what we're asking.
I don't know. Investigate them.
I did. I already talked to her. Two sides of a story, right?
I don't have a side. I don't answer questions, buddy.
You don't answer questions.
No.
Okay, but you have to provide ID when police.
No, I don't.
For an investigation, yes, you do.
Suspicion of a crime, about to commit a crime, have committed a
You
crime.
can have it with them.
901.151.
I know what it is, sir.
I'm an activist.
I know.
And you know I don't have to give you my
I
information.
see.
So all that, when the police...
First of all, you have to give your name for the form for them.
No, I don't,
their
because
system.
no, they asked me to leave and I left. I know the law. I'm very well versed in the law.
Okay.
They told me to leave and I left.
Okay.
So that's my warning.
This citizen stood his ground under serious pressure, facing threats and intimidation, all for asserting a constitutional right. I'm not required to give you my personal information. A right protected by law was treated like a criminal act. This wasn't just a clear abuse of power. It was a perfect example of wasting public resources on a situation where no crime had occurred and where a citizen's rights were blatantly ignored.
Ask you, they want to put you in the system, so when we have to deal with you again, if we do, it's already there, sir.
Then that's when you get it. If I break the law, that's when you get
But
it.
no, we put it now, so...
No, I don't like giving my name to the government for nothing.
How do you get checks for paid and stuff like that?
I
right?
said
The
for
jobs.
nothing.
For nothing, but for anything, right? So
I don't like giving my information to the government for just randomly.
Stop yelling at me.
I can yell, I can talk, freedom of speech.
I kind of do.
Okay, then you can go.
I can't go, honestly.
You can go.
Believe me, I wish I could.
Okay.
It would be a resolved issue.
Where's the sergeant? I want to talk to the
Over
sergeant.
there.
Call the
He's
sergeant.
coming to talk to you.
Because I'm being illegally detained right now.
Are you really? Provided your name and your information.
I don't have to, and you know that. That's why I'm not in cuffs. That's why you're not taking me to... I'm not giving them my information.
It's not my headache, dude.
Okay, then why are you still here?
Don't get the information they need.
Okay.
I'm putting you in a system myself for contact. You want to elevate it to somewhere else.
I'm not elevated. You're going to elevate it. All you have to do is follow the law.
I am following the law.
No, then follow 901.151. Follow Penal Code 901.151. Follow Penal Code 901.151.
Sir.
You know what that states, right?
The law. For causing a disturbance on the
I didn't cause the disturbance. They did. They asked me to leave and I got off. I followed their
They need
rules.
the information for their report, sir.
Okay, but no, that's not how the law works.
You're not in my law. Like, I'm not.
Okay, so why are you trying to force me to give them my information when I don't have to?
Report, sir. Good citizen?
For her to
You say
report,
good
good citizen.
Okay. So when the police get involved, I can identify you for purposes. Yes.
Not unless you suspect me of committing a crime.
I can suspect you of creating disturbance on a train.
No.
Yes, I can.
You can't. I didn't. I didn't. According to me, I didn't.
So let me say,
So their word is more powerful than mine?
You wouldn't tell me the story. I just asked you what happened.
But I'm telling you now, I didn't create a disturbance.
Okay.
I'm telling you now, I didn't create.
I asked you.
There's no explaining.
Explain. There you go.
The explanation is I did not cause a disturbance.
Okay, well,
the explanation is they asked me.
Did that happen?
They asked me to get off the train. I complied.
Well, why did they ask you to get off the train?
Because they don't like the shoes I wear.
That wasn't according to them. You were playing loud music.
They lied to you.
Okay, so I'm asking you to explain that to me.
Yeah, they don't like the shoes I'm wearing.
So that's the reason they didn't like the shoes you were. They didn't like your black Reeboks that you were wearing.
Right.
Conductor as well.
Right.
So if I take a sworn statement from both of them,
you can do what you want to do. They can lie on the sworn statement.
Okay. Here's the sergeant. You can talk to him. You want the sergeant? We're good. We're good. You want to talk to him?
No, this guy does this all the time.
I shake your hand, Sergeant. So you're not going to shake my hand, Sergeant? You're not going to say?
3065.
Thank you.
Answer 3065.
Let your dog know.
I'm not a dog, number one. I'm not a dog, number one.
Let your dog know
I'm not a
that
dog,
he can't
number
attack
one.
me.
You
Look at
understand?
him.
I'm not a dog.
Hey, back up from a taxpaying law-abiding citizen.
I'm an officer.
Do not intimidate a law. You're not acting like a law. You're not acting like an officer. No, you trying to demand me to give my information to them. You're trying to. That's not true, Sergeant. You hear what he said, Sergeant? When the officer asks me my name, I have to give it to him.
If you're being detained, you are.
Yes.
No, I have to be legally detained.
But you do this so often, we actually know who you
I have to be lawfully detained.
I'll give it to the system. Stay out of my face.
I'm not in your face. You just came right here. Look. See how your feet move and kick rocks.
Police officers are not above the law. When they abuse their authority, the consequences go beyond just internal discipline. They can be hit with civil lawsuits, ordered to pay damages, or even lose their careers. In more serious cases, they could also face criminal prosecution. In February 2024, one vague phone call was all it took, and suddenly a citizen was pulled over, with their constitutional rights put to the test, right in the middle of Klon, Texas.
I told him who I was right there. It's not stolen stuff. I'm not trying to give him a hard time, but you guys can't just pull people over and say, oh, we got a phone call. Somebody said you were selling stuff. Let me see your ID.
Officer Garza made the stop based on an unclear report, then basically started rewriting the law on the spot. Demanding ID without cause, blocking the car with no valid reason, Garza seemed to be playing by his own version of the Constitution. Luckily, it was the citizen who stepped up and gave him a much-needed law lesson. And the walk of shame? So that didn't belong to the person filming. It belonged to the officer, caught off guard under the lens and under the eyes of his own supervisor.
You're being videoed for my protection and yours. What's your name, officer? Please identify yourself.
McLeod from the Clewiston Police Department.
And you, sir?
Officer Garza, Clewiston Police Department.
And what am I being pulled over for?
Well, 2 reasons. 1, you made a turn back there without a turn signal. 2, we had a call about you trying to sell something at a store, and at 2 different stores at that, not just one. So a suspicious activity call. And we had to make out with you to see who you are and what you're doing.
Got you.
Have your license, please?
So what crime is that?
Well, there wasn't a crime committed because we don't know if the items are stolen or not.
Do you have suspicion that I committed a crime? Reasonable, articulable suspicion, either one of you, that I committed a crime, was about to commit a crime, was in the process of committing a crime?
Regulations.
Absolutely not. Except that you abide by the law.
I am abiding by the
No, you're not. You're asking me for my ID illegally.
He conducted a traffic stop.
That's not how that works. No crime has been committed. There's no reasonable, articulable suspicion. Excuse me.
When you commit a traffic infraction,
There's no reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime has been committed. That a crime has been committed.
It was going to be committed. How do we know the stuff you have is not stolen? We got no way to prove it. No way.
Not how that works.
No way I can prove it.
Please get your supervisor here, because that's not how this works. Well, then she should know better. She should know better, and so should you, Mr. Garza.
We are allowed to step out with people who reasonably believe.
Yeah, dumbass people who don't know the law.
That doesn't have to be dumb or smart.
If I have not been suspected of committing a crime with reasonable, articulable suspicion,
who in this vehicle are trying to sell them items that they don't know are stolen, we don't know are stolen,
then there's no crime.
Can you tell me that it's not stolen?
I already told you that.
I didn't ask. So how have you told me?
Because you said that you got a phone call, and I asked you if that was illegal, and you said no. Here. There's my paperwork right there. Nothing illegal.
So hard.
No. But you can't just get people's ID for nothing, Mr. Garza.
It's not for nothing.
It is. It is. There's policy and procedure, and there's constitutional law that you swore an oath to, my friend.
Hold on. If somebody's standing here, and they're just standing here with no kids, and they're a grown person just sitting there, that's a suspicious person.
You know, I just got a call about some officers that we had to watch out for here that were breaking the law and the people's constitutional rights.
I can show you that's not us. Look,
I have suspicion to believe it's you.
Are you gonna let me finish what I'm saying so you have an understanding?
How you doing, boss?
There's a supervisor right there if you want to
speak. How you doing, supervisor? We're just getting an understanding of constitutional law here. Pulled me over because he got a phone call that, you know, we were selling stuff. I asked him if that's illegal. He said, no, that's not illegal, right? That's where we were at in the conversation. He asked for my ID, so I asked him again, what did we do that was illegal? Give you my ID. Did we have any reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime has been committed? He said no. We got a phone call. 2 people said that items were trying to be sold. Not here, not in Texas, not in, anywhere. It's not a crime.
My understanding is you were pulled over for a traffic offense.
That's not what I was pulled over for. Mr. Garza pulled me over. This woman pulled through here after. There was no illegal turn. That right there is a turnaround. You don't have to put your blinker on at that turnaround right there.
To make up.
So have you identified yourself correct?
I told him who I was right there. All right. I'm a hard time, but you guys can't just pull people over and say, oh, we got a phone call. Somebody said you were selling stuff. Let me see your ID. that's not how this works. I respect the law. You guys got to respect it too. You swore an oath to it.
Okay, all right, hold on for there. Okay, look, my name is Sergeant Nieves, badge number 0464, all right?
You know your
Clifton Police Department, yes. Look, we got a call at the Ace Hardware parking lot. Person just wanted to remain anonymous, saying that, hey, somebody was trying to sell a stereo in the parking lot, and that's it. They didn't request contact, nothing along those lines, all right? Quick stop. He was just trying to identify you guys. Everything's good. That's all we're trying to do. Buddy.
key word, try to identify.
That's all. Just try.
But that's not how that works.
Look, we're here, attempting to identify. That's all we're trying to do, all right?
Your name again?
Sergeant Tito Nieves.
Thank you.
One, okay?
And we can sell here. It's not illegal.
It's not illegal.
Especially if I got my sales tax license, correct?
If you are a business conducting business within the city, you need a tax business receipt.
Got all that.
We don't have
Alrighty.
that knowledge.
Thank you. But you can't receive that knowledge illegally.
But we can
okay?
ask you. just
Okay,
like you
and I can
provided.
refuse.
Yes, you can, but we still need to figure out what you're doing somewhere. So until we figure that
You
out,
could try to figure it out.
until we figure that out, you are deemed a suspicious person. Do you understand?
Yeah, but being a suspicious person is not somebody that has been deemed reasonable, articulable suspicion of committing a crime, about to commit a crime, in the process of committing a crime. Reason to ask for my ID, period. There's no exceptions at all.
So the traffic stop means nothing.
That wasn't a traffic stop.
So you made.
You specifically told me, and you are being
that's
recorded in my
that's
truck
fine.
too.
You
You
didn't-
specifically
did
told
not
me when I
indicate-
asked you why I was being pulled over. You
Okay,
specifically
so when
stated
when you turn-
that you got a phone call
Hold on.
when
Two
she
things that
pulled
happened,
up.
the reason.
When she pulled up afterwards,
Hold on.
because she came
You really don't
from
like
she
other
came
people
from
talk
this
to you.
way.
How am I
Well,
supposed to-
I'm
how am I
teaching
supposed to
you.
articulate?
How are you supposed to learn if you don't listen?
What do you mean? How you supposed to learn if you don't listen?
I already know what the I'm doing.
That's the problem with closed-minded people.
That's why I already know what I'm doing. That's
listen.
why he left. That's why you're gonna leave, and that's why she left without getting my ID.
Well, I'm still conducting a traffic stop, so I do need your ID.
There's no traffic stop. For what? There's no legal
When
traffic
you
stop.
turn, do you not have to signal which way you're going?
On that turnaround right there, you do not have to signal. Absolutely not, because it's not a left turn.
What is it?
I'm turning, it's a turnaround. That's what that's made for.
I'm right there.
That's not where I turned around at. I turned around further up.
So you did a U-turn.
I didn't turn around right here.
Oh, all right.
Stop trying to dig, dude. That's not how this is going to work, dude.
I'm doing what my sergeant says. Here you are, sir.
Do what the Constitution says.
10-4.
Your sergeant ain't going to cover your ass when you get sued, dude.
Officer Garza could really learn a thing or two from his supervisor, like how to stay calm, know the law, and respect the rights of the people he's sworn to serve. And this is the ending. Not to close the story, but to draw a clear line between true justice and false authority hiding behind a badge. When a simple statement like, "I'm not required to show ID," is enough to make an officer lose their cool, and a camera in your hand becomes the most feared object on the street, it's clear. Our rights are being bargained away piece by piece. If they want to turn silence into guilt, then your voice, shared, posted, and echoed, is what keeps the truth alive. Drop a 1 in the comments as a reminder that the First Amendment still stands. And so do we. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep walking this path together. Not with violence, but with knowledge, courage, and a well-timed camera. See you in the next video, because freedom doesn't protect itself. It takes all of us, one moment at a time.